Yes, who came there means Mr. Peters. He is from Red Cross. Hello there, hello in the house, Mr. Marshall, Mr. Marshall, like that he called. Because he calling Emmy's father. Emmy, they have come for us. Here we are. She runs to the window. Emmy understood. Mr. Peters calling them only. They came here to rescue the people. Jim, picking up the third candle from the table, running to the window and waving it back and forth. Immediately, Jim, what he did, he picked one candle from the table and running towards window and waving it, move it back and forth. Back and forth means back and front. Like that he waved the candle. Then only he can attract the Mr. Peters' attention. Here we are, in here, like that he told them. Betty, she is entering on the run from the left side, carrying her dress box. Are we rescued? Who is there? What she asked? Are we rescued? Rescued means saved. We are saved. Who is there? Who came to pick up us? Like that she asked. Mr. Peter, still outside. Mr. Marshall, are you all right? This is Tom Peters and Miss Marshall, the Red Cross nurse. Miss Marsh, that is, she is Red Cross nurse. We are here in a boat. The both Mr. Peter and Miss Marsh, Tom Peters, they and all came by a boat. Mr. Peter and Miss Marsh came by a boat. Jim, row around to the back porch. He is giving instruction to them. Row around. Row means what? To move a boat. Jim give instruction to Mr. Peter. Just you move a boat to the back porch. You can get in there. From the side you can get inside. There is a bumping the boat against wood. Voice only hearing. Steady now there. I have got hold of the rail. Tie here up, he said. Tie up here. That is boat. They are tying in the place. Jim and Emmy exit right towards the voices. Now Jim and Emmy exit right side in the stage. More voices greeting, and then Mr. Peters enters the living room. Mr. Peters now enters the living room with a lighted lantern. He brought a lighted lantern, followed by Miss Marsh. Who is she? She is the nurse of Red Cross. Emmy and Jim, everybody coming. Betty, we are rescued, we are rescued, we are Sarah, come Sarah, like that she told. Mr. Peters, why are you children all alone? Why are you children all alone? Like that he asked. Emmy, yes, we. That means what? Yes, we are alone only in the home. Like that she told. There is a terrific crash. Crash means sudden loud noise followed by a wail of pain. Wail means scream, making more sound, heavy sound, and a scream. Rose, off stage left. Off stage, that is not on stage, off stage, behind the stage left side. Oh Sarah, she is fallen off the step ladder. She is fallen from the step ladder. So this much noise comes from inside. Come quick somebody, I have dropped my candle and it is gone out. Gone out means now there is no light in the candle. Mr. Peters, Miss Marsh, who is carrying a small black bag, and Emmy rush off stage left. From where the sound is coming towards the direction everyone is moving there. Betty, oh, I hope she hasn't broken her neck because she made much noise, no? So Betty saying like this. Jim, get the first aid box. It is in that pile of coat. Pile of coat means this is collective noun. More coat is there. In the pile of coats, you just take out first aid box. I will fix a place for her to lie down. I will arrange a place for her to lie down. Like that he told. He arranges chairs so Sarah can lie down there. Mr. Peters enters left carrying Sarah. Enter left side. In the stage left side he is entering. Steady now, you are all right. He is saying Sarah. More frightened than hurt. Actually, you getting more afraid than hurt. I think. He places Sarah on the chairs. Amy, placing the lantern near Sarah. I am glad Miss Marsh is here. Why Amy feel very glad? Glad means happy. Why she feel very happy? Miss Marsh is here. What is the use of Miss Marsh? She is nurse. So, she will look after Sarah. So, she feel very glad. Miss Marsh is examining Sarah. There is hurt. Like that, she is examining Sarah. Sarah is sobbing softly. Sobbing means crying. Saying every so often, it's hurt. She feels it's pain. Like that, she is crying. Rose kneels beside Sarah's chair. Rose is kneel down near the chair, holding her hand. Jim stands in the background with Betty. Okay, now who and all, how standing, where standing, everything given in the paragraph. Next one, Sarah. It's my leg that hurt. Again, Sarah saying, it's my leg that hurts. She feel much pain. So she saying like this often. Yes, you have hurt it badly, Sarah, but we can fix it up and we will all get into the boat and take you home. But you don't worry, you will be all right. Like that, Miss Marsh told Sarah. You are going to be all right. She motions to Mr. Peters, Jim and Amy to move to one side of the stage. Okay. She motions to Mr. Peters, Jim and Amy to move to one side of the stage. Rose only stays with Sarah.